Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look a bit on another side of the Bitcoin market, and today we will talk about some psychological background that we have right now, because major patterns that we have here we already have discussed. So if you remember, we have on the daily chart potentially big ABC, big butterfly pattern that could be formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. Yesterday and 2 days ago we have talked about the smaller butterfly that stands inside of the daily. Also, you could find here a lot of different other patterns. For example, it's kind of the ABCD and others. Yesterday we also talked about the short-term setup with this widening triangle that we have on the hourly chart, and we said overall situation looks bearish because market has broken for the major 618 support, standing lower, and more chances that we will see downward continuation. So watch for a possible retracement for taking the short position, but even this minor retracement wasn't able to be formed here, and market just collapsed. So if you remember, all this stuff has started in October with this spike up on the Bitfinex troubles. So you probably remember that. So that has led to the explosive demand for the cryptocurrency, changing the assets that were kept on the Bitfinex account and the Tether service to exchange it on the crypto, and that has led to this spike up. And at that moment it was really big question, with this rally will become something greater, will it be the starting point of some maybe reversal on the cryptocurrency, maybe upside continuation. And from that standpoint, it is interesting how market responds on this collapse on the Bitfinex and this explosive demand for the Bitcoins. For a long period of time, this range of this candle keeps falling price action inside of it. And the extreme points of this candle is very important, as lows as the tops. Here, minor wash and risk has happened here, as you can see, of these lows. So market shows that just spiking below these lows and return right back up. And that was the reason for deeper upward action. But currently, by taking a look at this price action that has followed after this situation, we could say that mostly it looks as a bearish sign. Market wasn't able to move in the upper half of this range, so it still stands inside of the lower range and stands inside of it. Here, on the downward action, market has broken all the support areas that still was on the market inside of this range. So that was the last 618 support of this rally. Finally, the long-term trend line that stands here also has been broken recently, and market gradually is coming to the lower border of this candle. When you see the wide range candle on the market, the extreme points of this range is very important, because the breaking out of this range leads market and push market in the same direction as the breakout will follow. Sometimes the target equals to the range counted in the direction of the breakout, so you can suggest this will be really significant. Here we have approximately 600 backs of the range, so if you will count it to the downside, you will get approximately 56 even target. So it stands very close to our daily 58 destination point. And currently the price behavior inside of this range tells us a lot that actually this collapse has not become some driving factor for the bulls on the market, and very soon the euphoria around this has exhausted and market returns back to the trending, to the downside trend. This makes me think that sooner or later we need to expect for a downward breakout here and downward continuation, because this price action mostly suggests that market has no power for reversal and reestablishing an upward action tending lower, and the chance on the breakout to the downside right now seems real significant.